I was in a 3-hour meeting that could have been a 2-line email. And as my boss talked about synergy and thinking outside the box, the only thing I could think was, why? Why do we waste so much time? This irrational anger at inefficiency is a universal feeling in the work world. But what does this anger really mean? Recently, I decoded the science behind it. This frustration isn't just a whim. It's your mind reacting to a fundamental law of productivity, Parkinson's law. Parkinson's law states that work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. Think about it. If you have a week to do a one-day task, that task will magically take a week. You'll overthink it, redo it, complicate it, because your mind fills the space you give it. The 3-hour meeting happens because it was scheduled to last 3 hours, not because there were 3 hours of subject matter. Understanding this was a game changer. The anger I felt wasn't at my boss, it was at the system, and I realized I was applying Parkinson's law against myself in my own life. I would give myself long deadlines, and my tasks would drag on. The solution? I stopped managing the work and started managing the time. I began giving myself aggressively short deadlines for important tasks. A one-day task? The deadline is 2 hours. The result is magical. The mind stops complicating and focuses only on the essential. The anger at inefficiency transformed into the energy for efficiency. Because Parkinson's law, when you use it in your favor, becomes a superpower.